Hi children, welcome back. In the previous video, the making of electromagnet helps us to understand that there is a relation between magnetic force of attraction and current passing through the conductor. Now, let us conduct an activity to explore more about the relation between magnetic field and electricity. Place one magnetic needle near the current carrying conductor. On passing the current through the wire from a source of battery, the needle undergoes deflection. Do you know the reason why it is so? Yes, this is due to the presence of an external force around the current carrying conductor. This unseen force is nothing but magnetic force. Because of this, the needle undergoes deflection. Further, if the terminals of battery are interchanged and current is passed, the deflection takes place in the direction opposite to the previous one. This effect of current around the conductor is called magnetic effect of electric current. The area in and around the conductor where the needle undergoes deflection, and the same thing happen even around the magnet. That area of current or magnetic influence is called magnetic field. That is, magnetic field is defined as the area around the magnet or conductor carrying current in which the magnetic force of attraction can be felt. That area is called magnetic field. To understand about magnetic field due to magnet, let us conduct one activity. Take a bar magnet and place it beneath a plastic sheet. Now, sprinkle the iron filings slowly on the sheet. The iron filings arrange themselves in a pattern as you can see. This pattern of closed lines is called magnetic lines of force. When we observe these closed patterns, it shows that magnetic lines appears to arise from north pole and moves towards south pole. This means within the magnet these lines move from south pole to north pole. Iron filings arrange densely at poles. This shows that magnetic strength is more at poles compared to other region. Magnetic lines move parallel to each other without getting intersected. Iron filings and magnets are separated by cardboard sheet, which reveals that magnetic force of attraction can penetrate the materials like paper, plastic, etc. To understand magnetic field due to electric current passing through a conductor, let us perform one experiment. Take a cardboard sheet, make a small hole at the middle of it. Insert a copper wire through that hole and the free ends are connected to the battery terminals. Sprinkle the iron filings around the copper wire on the cardboard sheet. When the current is passed through the wire, we can observe that the iron filings arrange in the pattern of concentric circles and The number of these concentric circles increase or decreases as the strength of the current in the circuit is varied. And this experiment, what we have conducted, is also called as Oersted experiment. Okay, now how do you determine the direction of magnetic field around the current carrying conductor? The above question can be answered with the help of a simple rule called right hand grip rule, and it is also known as Maxwell's right hand grip rule. In order to understand right hand grip rule, you need to watch this activity, and the activity is very simple. Take a screwdriver and a screw. If we rotate the screwdriver in the clockwise direction, then the screw will move inside the material, and on rotating screwdriver in anti-clockwise direction, the screw will come out of the material, that is in opposite direction. What is your observation? Yes, you are right. Direction of motion of screw depends on direction of rotation of screwdriver. That is, if you are asked to represent the direction of movement of screw and the direction of movement of screwdriver using your right hand, I hope you will indicate the screw direction using thumb and direction of rotation of screwdriver using the four fingers just by holding a small stick. With the same logic, we can state right hand grip rule. If we hold a current carrying conductor in our right hand as shown, the current flow in the direction of thumb, and then the magnetic field created around the current carrying conductor is indicated by the four fingers encircling the conductor, and this definition is known as right hand grip rule. Children, in this video we have discussed about magnetic effects of electric current, magnetic field, properties of magnetic lines of force, Oersted experiment to demonstrate about magnetic field producing around current carrying conductor, and right hand grip rule.